Hey there. It's your girl, Angelina, coming to you from one of the most incredible beaches in the world. I'm so excited to share this breathtaking paradise with you today. As I take my first steps onto the soft, powdery sand, I'm immediately struck by the vibrant hues of blue in the sparkling ocean waves. The water here is crystal clear, inviting me to take a refreshing dip. I can already feel the warmth of the sun kissing my skin, creating a perfect beach day. Walking along the shore, I'm surrounded by towering palm trees, gently swaying in the cool ocean breeze. The lush greenery provides a picturesque backdrop against the backdrop of the beach, adding a touch of tropical charm to the scene. It's like stepping into a postcard. I can't help but be mesmerized by the diverse marine life that calls this place home. The vibrant coral reefs beneath the surface are a kaleidoscope of colors, teeming with exotic fish and other fascinating creatures. Snorkeling here is an absolute must, as you'll be transported to an underwater wonderland. The beach itself stretches for miles, offering ample space for sunbathing, building sandcastles, or simply strolling hand in hand with your loved ones. As I look around, I see families having picnics, couples walking hand in hand, and friends playing beach volleyball. It's a place where memories are made. But the beauty doesn't end with the beach. Just beyond the shoreline, there's a captivating coastal trail that winds its way through lush vegetation and rocky cliffs. Hiking along this trail rewards you with breathtaking panoramic views of the coastline, making it a nature lover's dream. So, my dear viewers, if you're as captivated by the wonders of nature as I am, I invite you to join me on this journey of exploration. Hit that subscribe button and be a part of the Angelina Beach family. Don't forget to smash that like button if you enjoyed this video and want to see more amazing destinations like this. Remember, life is too short not to enjoy the beauty that surrounds us. So, until next time, keep exploring, keep discovering, and keep spreading the love for our incredible planet. Angelina signing off from paradise. Stay blessed, my friends.